Hi guys! So come, let's make a papaya shake with me. First, prepare natin yung blender and make sure your papaya is in a tiny bit, your size niya is tiny or sa bits siya para hindi mabilaukan yung blender natin. So as you can see, I placed all of them carefully because it's overripe na kasi. So I just place it inside. Though, I think okay naman na mataas siya kasi overripe na. But, aesthetic tayo eh. Tapos, lagyan natin ng brown sugar for sweetness. And then, milk. It's actually Bear Brand. This is not sponsored. So, yeah. Tapos, lagyan natin ng ice. A little bit of ice. Mistake ko dito is hindi ko nilagyan ng maraming water. So, clearly, the shake is really thick. Pero okay lang naman. At least mahaba siya. But yeah, it's a little thick. Nalagyan ko siya ng water pero sobrang kunti lang. Tapos, as you can see, since marami pa namang papaya dun sa lagayan ko, sa plate ko, nilagay ko na, inubos ko na kasi maximum na. And then, use the other milk, sachet of milk. Mix it there for extra creamy. And then, shake, shake, shake. And then after that, yun na yun. Enjoy na. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.